Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create image with AI feature in Adobe Photoshop Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up this application, Photoshop mobile application. And if we want to use AI feature to create an image, we can choose this feature, text to image. Okay, and then you can write the prompt right here. I'm just going to paste the prompt I have just created. Okay, and I'm going to click on generate. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment until the image has been generated with AI. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the image has been generated with AI, and there are some images we can choose. And for instance, I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on this icon to save this photo to my device. Okay, and now the image has been saved to my gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create image with AI feature in Adobe Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.